This is my sister Belinda.
You guys are brother and sister?
I'm Javier, yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, very
This
cool.
is my baby. This is my baby brother.
Everybody knows me
Javier.
as Theo over here, though.
Theo.
Everyone calls him Theo.
Okay, very cool.
My name is Josh Rivera. I'm working at Belinda's Cocina with my lovely aunt Belinda
Okay.
and the rest of our family here. I got my uncle. We call him Theo.
Good morning.
My
Nice.
cousin Anthony right there, and then my stepbrother.
Nice. All right. I
And,
love it.
This is a team. This is a team theme. Yeah, this is the dream team right here. We like to do everything as a team.
Okay.
Make sure everything gets done. We're out here in La Jolla on this beautiful Cinco de Mayo 2013, and we're ready to serve the customers and make them happy. And
Okay. You like?
my favorite
Yeah,
food,
yeah.
I'd say all of it, but if I
Okay.
had to pick one specific, probably this chicken chipotle or this chile verde. We usually recommend chicken chipotle or chile verde for our customers. If they don't like spicy or anything, we'll recommend carnitas.
Okay.
You know, that way they're like, okay, well, it's a good pork meat, very juicy, has all of its flavor in there.
Okay.
Some of the best carnitas I've ever tasted is right here.
Okay.
at Belinda's Cocina.
Now, from what I understand, you do a phenomenal Ray Lewis. Can we have a Ray Lewis out here in the front?
Yes, you can have
Okay.
Ray Lewis out
Let's
here.
do it. You just set up. Yes.
Beastman. Oh, ready for the La Jolla market.
Yeah.
Ready for Oh, the crates. Do the crates.
Nice. I love it. Very good. Thank you.
I try to make everyone special that comes to Belinda's Cocina
Why do you do that?
because I love everyone that comes to eat with me here. If it wasn't for you fans that eat with me, I wouldn't be here. I'm here because of you, and I thank you for coming out and eating with me.